Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today I shall teach you the 100 dresses second, written by Eleanor State. Introduction है. This story has been written by Eleanor States. It is a sensitive account of how a poor young Polish girl is judged by her classmate. Multiple choice question. Who wrote the letter received by Miss Mason? Answer: Vanda's father. Question: what did the letter convey? Answer: both B and C. Question: what else was mentioned in the letter? Answer: her funny name. Question: how did Miss Mason feel about whatever happened with Vanda? Answer: both A and B. Question: how would you describe Miss Mason feeling towards the class? Answer: upset. Question: what was just as bad as what Peggy had done? Answer: Maddie staying silent while Peggy teased Vanda. Question: what did Maddie think of herself after the letter was read out loud? Answer: coward. Question: so Peggy had the same idea Maddie globed. What was the idea? Answer: both B and C. Question: what was Maddie reminded of by the Petronsky house? Answer: Vanda's dress, round but clean. Question: what excuses does Peggy think of for her behavior? Answer: both A and B. Question: what important decision does Maddie take? Answer: stop others from bullying. Question: how did they contact Vanda? Answer: through a letter. Question: what did they write in the letter? Answer: both B and C. Question: why did they think Vanda would not reply? Answer: she must have been sad and angry. Question: what was more anxious for a reply? Answer: Maddie. Question: what did Maddie notice in the drawings? Answer: Vanda drew their faces. Question: what was the tone of Vanda's reply? Answer: friendly. Question: what do you mean by picking on someone? Answer: unfairly criticizing them. Question: what was Maddie's reaction on receiving the drawings? Answer: sad. Question: what did Peggy infer from the drawing? Answer: Vanda liked them. Question: what was description of the house which Maddie thought to be Vanda's house? Answer: little white house. Question: the grass along the pathway to Vanda's house looked like. Answer: kittens. Question: Vanda's house was. Answer: on top of a hill. Question: what was used to decorate the classroom on Christmas? Answer: both A and B. Question: what was the color of the dress in Peggy's drawing? Answer: green. Question: who wrote a letter to Vanda that Saturday afternoon? Answer: both B and C. Question: Vanda wrote to Miss Mason that she had missed the school and the new teacher did not. Answer: equalized Miss Mason. Question: Vanda asked Miss Mason to keep the drawing for the class as a gift. Answer: gift. Question: what was special about the gift given to Maddie and Peggy by Vanda? Answer: the gifts have faces of Maddie and Peggy separately. Summary: when the class was watching Vanda's beautiful sketch of dresses, जब क्लास वांडा की ब्यूटीफुल स्केच ड्रेस को देख रही थी, मिस मेसन रिसीव्ड ए नोटिस फ्रॉम वांडास फादर. मिस मेसन को वांडा के फादर से एक नोट रिसीव हुआ. इट गेव इन्फॉर्मेशन, उसमें सूचना थी अबाउट वांडा एंड हर ब्रदर, वांडा और उसके भाई के बारे में. जैक लीविंग द स्कूल सिंस दे हैड शिफ्टेड टू ए बिग सिटी, कि जैक स्कूल छोड़ रहा है क्योंकि वह एक बड़े शहर में शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. द नोट आल्सो हैड एन इनडायरेक्ट कंप्लेंट, नोट एक इनडायरेक्ट कंप्लेंट था.